Welcome to House Lux Estate, your premier source for insights into the world of luxury accommodations. We are your one-stop destination for everything related to the high-end real estate market, covering an array of topics that offer a comprehensive look into the world of opulence. Today we're switching gears a bit to focus on a topic we believe many of you will find intriguing: the logistics of running a luxury resort. It's not all sunsets and cocktails, folks. There's a whole world of meticulous planning and strategic management that goes into creating those unforgettable experiences. We'll be taking you behind the scenes to explore the intricacies of this complex process, from conceptualization and design to actual day-to-day operations. So whether you're a seasoned hotelier or simply a curious mind, we've got something for everyone. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of luxury resort management. Before we delve into the logistics, let's first understand what luxury resorts are. Picture a place where every detail is meticulously designed for your comfort and enjoyment. That's the essence of a luxury resort. Unlike regular hotels, luxury resorts are not just about providing a place to sleep. They are about delivering an unforgettable experience, packed with top-notch amenities, exceptional services, and often breathtaking landscapes. Imagine sipping a cocktail by a private infinity pool overlooking the ocean, or dining in a world-class restaurant nestled in the heart of a lush rainforest. These are not mere accommodations, they are destinations in themselves, each one unique and captivating. From the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the sun-kissed beaches of the Maldives, luxury resorts are scattered across the globe, each promising an experience that transcends the ordinary. Now that we've established what luxury resorts are, let's explore how they operate. Running a luxury resort is a complex task, involving a multitude of operations. It's like a well-oiled machine where every cog, every gear has to work in perfect harmony to provide the ultimate experience for the guests. Let's start with staffing. Luxury resorts are all about providing exemplary service, and that's only possible with a highly trained and dedicated team. From the concierge who greets the guests, the chefs who create culinary masterpieces, to the housekeeping staff who maintain the pristine condition of the rooms, every member of the team plays a crucial role. And it's not just about hiring the right people. It's about regular training, motivation, and ensuring that the staff is always at the top of their game. Next, we have maintenance. A luxury resort is much more than just beautiful rooms. It's about the entire ambiance, the manicured gardens, the crystal clear pools, the spotless lobbies. And maintaining all of this is no small feat. It requires a dedicated team working round the clock, addressing issues before they become problems. Then there's guest services. At a luxury resort, the guest is king. Every need, every whim is catered to with utmost attention. Be it a personalized welcome note, a favorite flower in the room, or a custom-made menu. It's all about creating a unique and memorable experience for the guest. This involves meticulous planning, coordination, and execution. And let's not forget about the back-end operations. Procurement, inventory management, finance, marketing. All these areas need to be handled efficiently to ensure smooth functioning of the resort. So, as you can see, running a luxury resort requires a lot of work. The attention to detail, the precision, the constant strive for perfection, it's a demanding job. But the reward? Seeing the smile on a guest's face, knowing that you've created an unforgettable experience for them, now that's priceless. But what does it take to be successful? Success in luxury resort management is not just about hard work, but also about strategy and innovation. The world of luxury resorts is teeming with success stories that testify to this statement. These are tales of visionaries who dared to think differently, to innovate, and to deliver unique guest experiences that set their resorts apart from the rest. One of such success story is that of a resort nestled in the heart of the Caribbean. This resort redefined luxury by integrating local culture into their guest experience. Instead of offering the typical beachside relaxation, they introduced guests to local artisans, musicians, and culinary experts. This strategy of cultural immersion not only enriched the guest experience, but also fostered a strong connection with the local community. Across the globe in the Swiss Alps, another luxury resort made its mark by leveraging innovative marketing techniques. Recognizing the power of digital media, they created a series of immersive online experiences that allowed potential guests to virtually explore the resort and its stunning alpine surroundings. This forward-thinking approach helped them reach a global audience and increase their bookings significantly. In the bustling city of Dubai, a luxury resort turned its focus to personalization. They pioneered a personal concierge service where each guest was assigned a dedicated staff member to cater to their every need, from arranging exclusive dining experiences to planning personalized city tours. This emphasis on personalized service elevated their guest satisfaction rates and cemented their reputation as a leader in luxury hospitality. Then, there is a resort in Bali that found success by focusing on sustainable luxury. They invested in eco-friendly infrastructure, supported local conservation efforts, and offered organic dining options. Their commitment to sustainability attracted environmentally conscious travelers and set a benchmark for other luxury resorts. These success stories show that with the right strategies, it is possible to successfully manage a luxury resort. Whether it's through cultural immersion, innovative marketing, personalized service, or sustainable practices, these resorts have shown that the key to success lies in understanding your guests and constantly striving to exceed their expectations. These success stories show that with the right strategies, it is possible to successfully manage a luxury resort. Despite the potential for success, running a luxury resort is not without its challenges. Luxury resorts by nature are a high-stakes endeavor. They require a significant investment of time, resources, and capital. To begin with, the operating costs for these establishments can be astronomical. From the maintenance of the resort's physical space to the salaries of the highly trained staff, these costs can quickly add up. For instance, a luxury resort may need to employ a full-time team of chefs, concierge staff, and housekeepers, all of whom need to be compensated appropriately for their skills and dedication. Another major challenge is maintaining a high level of service. Luxury resorts cater to a discerning clientele who expect nothing but the best. This means that every detail, from the thread count of the bed linens to the temperature of the swimming pool, must be perfect. If a guest's experience falls short of their expectations, they are likely to take their business elsewhere and possibly even leave a negative review, which can be incredibly damaging in the hospitality industry. Competition is another hurdle. The luxury resort market is a crowded one, with new establishments popping up all the time. Each one is trying to outdo the others with more extravagant amenities, more exotic locations, and more personalized service. This constant push for innovation and differentiation can be both exhausting and expensive. And let's not forget about the unpredictability of the market. From economic downturns to global pandemics, there are myriad factors that can impact the success of a luxury resort. These external factors, which are often beyond the control of resort owners and managers, can result in significant losses. These challenges, while significant, are not insurmountable. With the right approach, they can be overcome. The key is to stay adaptable, to be constantly looking for ways to improve, and to never lose sight of what makes your resort unique. In the end, the challenges of running a luxury resort are just another part of the journey. Running a luxury resort is a complex but rewarding endeavor. We've journeyed through the intricate world of luxury resort management, unraveling the layers that make it one of the most fascinating industries in the world. We've delved into what luxury resorts are, these lavish havens that offer unparalleled experiences, and looked at the intricate logistics that go into running them. From ensuring seamless operations to catering to the unique needs of every guest, we've seen that every detail matters. We've also highlighted some electrifying success stories in luxury resort management. These stories serve as a testament to the incredible feats that can be achieved with the right blend of foresight, planning, and execution. They've shown us that beyond the glitz and glamour of luxury resorts lies a well-oiled machine, working tirelessly to create unforgettable experiences. Equally, we've explored the challenges that come with running a luxury resort. Whether it's managing a diverse workforce, maintaining high standards, or navigating economic uncertainties, these challenges are part and parcel of the industry. However, as we've seen, these hurdles can be overcome with the right strategies and a steadfast commitment to excellence. In essence, running a luxury resort is akin to conducting a symphony. It requires a deft hand, an attentive ear, and a keen eye. Every element must work in harmony to create a masterpiece that resonates with the guests and leaves them yearning for more. As we wrap up this exploration, we invite you to continue journeying with us through the captivating world of luxury real estate. There's so much more to learn, so many more stories to unravel. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the logistics of running a luxury resort, there's plenty more where that came from. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insights into the world of luxury real estate. See you in the next video.